Kids admission interview. Kid was brought to school to get admission in UKG for interview as it was very difficult to get through admission in that school. Parents were really worried. Parents and kid entered principal office. Parents sat aside on sofa and kid was sitting in front of principal. Principal started to converse with kid. Here goes. Principal, what's your name? Kid, Sita. Principal, good. Tell me something you know. Kid, I know many things. Tell me what you want. Alas, there is no better point for not getting the admission, thought her mother to herself, as her mother was trying to make up the situation, but principal stopped her. Turning to child, she said, tell any rhyme or story which you know. Kid, again, which one you want, rhyme or story? Principal, okay, please tell me a story. Kid, do you want to hear what I studied or what I wrote? Taken to surprise, she asked, oh, you write stories? Kid replied, why should I not write? She was impressed with the answer and said, okay, tell me story which you have written. Kid replied, one day Ravina kidnapped Sita and took her to Sri Lanka. The opening scene failed to impress, but still she encouraged the child to continue. Kid, Rama asked Hanuman help to rescue Sita. Hanuman too agreed to help Rama. Principal, then Kid. Now Hanuman called his friend Spider-Man. Principal, why? Kid, because there are lot of mountains between India and Sri Lanka. But if we have Spider-Man, we can go easily with his rope. Principal questioned. But Hanuman can fly, isn't it? Kid, yes, but he is heavying Sanjeevani mountain on one hand, so he can't fly very fast. Everyone was surprised and got quiet. After a while, Kid asked, should I continue or not? Principal replied, okay, please continue. Kid continued. Hanuman and Spider-Man flew to Sri Lanka and rescued Sita. Sita said, thanks to both. Principal, why? Kid, well, when you are helped, you should say thanks. So Sita requested Hanuman to call Hulk. All were surprised. Kid realized everyone's curiosity and continued, now Sita is here. So to take her safely back to Rama, she called Hulk. Principal, what Hanuman can carry Sita, right? Kid, yes, but he has Sanjeevani mountain in one hand and has to hold Spider-Man on the other. No one could control their smiles. Kid continued. So when they all started to India, they met my friend Akshay. Principal questioned, how come Akshay there now? Kid, because it's my story and I can bring and one there. The principal did not get angry but waited for the next twist. Kid continued. Then all started to India and landed at Bangalore Majestic bus stop. Principal asked why they have landed in Majestic bus stop. Kid, because they forget the way and Hulk got an idea and called Dora. Dora come and she took Sita to Maleeshwaram fifth cross. That's all. She finished the story with a smile. The principal asked, but why Maleeshwaram fifth cross? Kid, because Sita lives there and I am Sita. The principal was impressed and embarrassed the child. She was being admitted in UKG and was gifted with a Dora doll.